Deputy Prime Minister, members of the cabinet, let me introduce to you, His Excellency. The Prime Minister. Yes, yes. Minister of Finance? Yes, yes, yes. Of course, Foreign Minister, you're so familiar. Mines, Energy and Rural Electrification. Is Minister for Forest Services, Forestry. And Minister for Environment and Climate Change. It's a real honor to have the Prime Minister of Fiji to engage in cabinet ceremony. And also, in that ceremony, he has been able to engage in this independent foundation. He has graced us, but most importantly, he has brought with us the history that the decision of his visit, and in honor of him accepting this gift that we are going to give to you comes from not from in July 7, 2013. So, on behalf of the cabinet, I'd like to present this to you. I'm sorry that it's not yet complete. But I hope that it